This is the automatic inhalation resuscitator, or simply AIR. This is an auxiliary device that is used to reduce the medical attention and expertise required to operate a bag valve mask, or BVM. It can be used in developing countries as a simple, inexpensive mechanical ventilator, or even as an aid to paramedics in resuscitation efforts. The device is turned on, and age, pressure, breath rate, and volume settings can be adjusted. The pressure setting is highlighted first on a child patient. Next, breath rate adjustments are made on an infant patient. Volume adjustments are now made on an adult patient. Note that each of these three settings can be adjusted for every age group. To highlight airway blockage detection, the mask is now obstructed by a piece of cardboard. Here, we highlight the ease of halting ventilation and removing the BVM for manual resuscitation if necessary. Not only can adult, child, and infant patients be accommodated with the adult-sized BVM, but our device can be adjusted to operate on child and infant-sized BVMs as well. Here, we compare operation on an adult-sized BVM to an infant-sized BVM.